Hi everyone, welcome to the latest episode of Twig Science Reporter. This week we learn all about a new rocket powered by biofuel. Launching rockets into space requires a lot of fuel, but this is actually a big problem. When rockets are launched, traditional rocket fuel produces a lot of greenhouse gases, and these greenhouse gases contribute to global warming. But now scientists have come up with a rocket that can be powered by biofuels. Biofuel is an energy source produced from organic materials like crops, and it has a much smaller impact on the environment. The engineers behind the new rocket hope that this will be the start of a new era of more sustainable space travel. We also discover why people with hay fever are having allergic reactions for a longer time period than normal. And we find out more about a new tree planting drone. To watch this week's episode and to get access to related extension materials, just click the link above or go to twigscience.com/reporter to sign up for free. See you next week.